OBS setup for encoding on Nvidia graphics cards. In order to stream your video game content to a platform such as Twitch or YouTube, you will need to be able to encode your video into a format that the streaming service supports. In general, this will be the H.264 codec. You have two choices in OBS for encoding to this codec. X.264, or software encoding, will use your CPU for encoding. NVENC will use your Nvidia graphics card for encoding with little to no performance loss. Let's go through the setup process on one of the most popular pieces of streaming software, open broadcasting software, more commonly known as OBS. The Streamlabs version of OBS has the same settings, but are found in slightly different places. Since this video is being made for people new to streaming, ones that are not affiliated or partnered yet, I will outline the best compromise in settings to have good video quality and accessibility for viewers on mobile or with lower-end hardware. Remember that not only do you have to encode the video stream, but the viewers also have to decode that video stream on their end. Until you get partnered with Twitch, you are not guaranteed transcoding. Affiliates will get transcoding when there is spare compute power at Twitch. Transcoding means that Twitch's servers will send out multiple versions of your stream at different resolutions and bit rates for viewers on different hardware platforms. If you send a stream with too high of a bit rate, people on lower-end hardware or mobile may not be able to watch. Because of this, 720p and 30 frames per second is a very good place to start. Under the Video tab in OBS settings, set the output resolution to 1280 by 720 and the FPS value to 30. Don't worry that you are not uploading in full 1080p HD. People watching on a 1080p monitor are only watching your stream at a resolution of 1300 by 731 with the chat visible anyways. Let's set up the Output tab in the OBS settings now. Change the output mode from Simple to Advanced to open up the settings we will need access to. Set the encoder to NVENC H.264. Select Rescale Output and set 1280 by 720 as the output resolution. Set Rate Control to CBR for constant bit rate. The next choice is the bitrate that you will stream at. This is how much raw information you send to Twitch. In general, the higher this is, the better your stream will look. You will also need more powerful hardware and faster upload speed to be able to support higher and higher bit rates. For a streamer starting out, 3000 kbps will provide good video quality while allowing viewers on more platforms to be able to watch. There is some leeway higher or lower depending on your preference, but I would personally stay between 2500 and 3500 kbps. There are other settings here to change as well, such as keyframe interval, preset, profile, and level. For these settings, I suggest sticking to the broadcast guidelines laid out by Twitch. For our 720p 30 fps stream, that means we will set the keyframe interval to 2, leave preset at default, set profile to high, and level to 3.1. Leave 2-pass encoding checked, set GPU to 0, leave B frames set to 2. This concludes the setup of encoding settings in OBS. Now you are set up to be able to stream using your Nvidia graphics card to encode your Twitch stream. Good luck on your path towards affiliate and partner.